Okay, everybody, welcome back to Dynamic Response Video. This is the project's training video for how to add an interaction layer. Now, in the last video, we showed you how to add on the videos. And as you can see, I've clicked on this intro video. This is it here. And what I want to do is be able to set an interaction layer. And let me go back to show you the video that we uploaded. Are you a sports fan? It's going to have an interaction layer for yes and an interaction layer for no. So what we need to be able to do is we need to be able to find the spot inside the video that we want to be able to add the interaction layer. And if I look at it, I want to be able to get it to where it says are you a sports fan and put a yes button and a no button. So the first thing I want to do is scroll to the point in the video where I want the interaction layer to be. Now I picked 39 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and click this button here called set the interaction layer, and you can see it's at 39.72 seconds. Now I'm on my intro video, so that's where I want to be, and I want to be able to create the interaction layers for both the yes button and the no button. Now as you can see, I have no interaction layers here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create one, and I'm going to call this yes. Okay, click add the interaction layer, and in this particular case you can do one of two things for the background. If I want to be able to change the color of when the interaction layer hits, I can do this, and you can see that I can make it any color I want. Now it's full transparency the way it is today, or I can bring it in to where I can say okay, the screen will turn red or any other color, or completely go out and I can have my buttons overlay on it. But in this particular case, what I want to do is I want to be able to keep it 100% transparent, so I can go ahead and leave that. Now if you want it to go to an image that has the yes no button automatically on it, or the area on it with the yes button and the no button, you can do that as well by uploading the image. I tend to just go ahead and create an image or use a text button that we're going to do in the next element. Okay, so once you have your first interaction layer done, yes, let's go ahead and go back to the video, and now you can see that we have this one. Okay, the yes is now done. Now let's go ahead and create another one, and this is going to be no, and we'll go ahead and create it. And again, once we create the interaction layer, we now can see that we have two interaction layers for our intro video. So let's go do the other ones here. The yes video now, what we're going to end up doing here is actually creating three interaction layers, because what we want to do is when we go to the end of the video, it's going to ask us a question: which major league sporting events are you interested in buying tickets for? And let's make sure we get it to right to the point where this comes up in the video. You can see it's a very short video, but we'll get it to the point where this pops up. Okay, and let's see here. Okay, so I'm going to set it about 4 seconds. Now I set the interaction layer for 4.22 seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new one, and I'm going to call this one, if you look at the, we're going to go yes, it's going to go here, pick your league, and now you're going to have three interaction layers that you can choose from: NBA, NHL, and NFL. And I'm going to go ahead and create I'm on my yes video. I want to go ahead and create my first one called NBA. I'm going to add the interaction layer. I'm going to go back. I'm going to create another one. I'm going to call it NHL. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to call this one NFL. Okay. So that quickly, now I've created my three interaction layers here, which fall under this individual yes video. Okay, so I have my yes no for the first two, and then I have my three that are there for this video. Now for the no video, I'm going to go ahead and create one additional interaction layer, and it's going to be, we're sorry you're not a sports fan. Maybe you want to try it again. Let's try this again. And again, I'm going to have it to where it comes in about, I'll do it about right here, set our interaction layer, and we want to go ahead and create a new one, and we want to call this no yes. Okay, so we know now this is the no video, but this is the yes interaction layer for it. Now once we go back and look, we're on the no video, we have our no yes, and we have all our interaction layers set. Now the next thing that we're going to be doing after we've set our interaction layers is we're going to be going and adding the elements, and that'll be the next video that we talk about.